Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Maske Sir. In today's video, we are going to see warming up activities, English workshop and activities from language study sections of the poem The Twins by Henry Sambrook Lee. So let's get started. Begin with some of the warming up activities, which includes chit chat. Question number 1. Two babies born at the same time are called twins. So guess and share who are. Number 1. Triplets. Three babies born at the same time to the same mother are called triplets. Quadruplets. Four babies born at the same time to the same mother are called quadruplets. Quintuplets. Five babies born at the same time to the same mother are called quadruplets. म्हणजे आपण त्याला एकाच आईला जेव्हा 5 मुलं जन्माला येतात तेव्हा आपण त्यांना ते काही नाव दिलेली आहेत. नेक्स्ट. Imagine you had an identical twin brother or sister. Imagine and share with your classmates what pranks you two would play on your friends, elders in the family and even in school. Answer. At home. At home I would blame my twin brother for wrongs done by me or breaking something at home. Sometimes I would eat sweets and demand it again as the other one. If my brother did something good or special, I would pretend that I did that. I make many mistakes and blame my twin brother. At school, if someone makes any mistakes, other points at the finger at the other. If my brother is guilty of doing something wrong, other classmates, even my teachers, blame the other because of our similarity. Study the following pairs of groups of words: cup and saucer, needle and threads, birds and beast, take a race, sip tea, copy, hide and seek, etc. So these are sets of words that more than often go together and occur together. We call such sets collocations. की ह्या ज्या जोड्या शब्दांच्या त्या जवळपास ठिकाणी एकत्रच येतात. मग अशा प्रकारच्या एकत्र येणाऱ्या शब्दाच्या संचालाच आपण कोलोकेशन्स असं म्हणतो. इन्सर्ट द प्रॉपर वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द ब्रॅकेट टू फॉर्म कोलोकेशन. आपल्याला इथं काही शब्द दिलेले आहेत. नवीन कोलोकेशन्स तयार करण्यासाठी आपल्याला त्यांच्या जोड्या लावायच्या आहेत. नंबर 1. Absolutely necessary. Accept, debit, cannot, afford, early morning, formal clothes, catch a cold, job interview, leading role, past time, joint owners. Next question. Exaggeration or overstatement often causes humor. For example, she is thin, she is as thin as a pin. जे अतिशयोक्ती केलेली विधानं असतात ते जनरली एक विनोद निर्माण करतात. जसं सी इज ॲज थिन ॲज अ पिन. ती किती पिन इतकी सडपातळ आहे. ऍक्च्युली एवढं सडपातळ असणं शक्य नाही. ही हॅज पीस सीज्ड ब्रेन. माय शूज आर किलिंग मी. When such exaggerated lines occur in poetry, they are examples of the figure of speech hyperbole. अशा प्रकारची जी अतिशयोक्तीपूर्ण विधाने जर एखाद्या कवितेच्या ओळीमध्ये आली असतील तर हायपरबोलिक किंवा अतिशयोक्ती नावाचा अलंकार तयार होतो. Complete the following examples of hyperbole using words from the bracket given below. So words are given in the bracket. She wept an ocean of tears. The hungry man ate a ton of food. He runs faster than a horse. Brr, I am freezing to death. I shall come over in just a second. So, some of the margin questions. In what aspects were the brothers alike each other? The two brothers were unlike each other in the structure and appearance. Their face, cut and limbs are also resembled a lot. What name did the speaker get? The speaker got the name intended for his brother. How did the speaker suffer at school? Because of the similarity between the narrator and his brother. The narrator always got the punishment because of the mischiefs done by his brother John. What is impossible in the last two lines? The last two lines are exaggerated, Atiyashoktipurna. It is unbelievable if anybody died, how he or she could speak. Another impossible thing is that the people bury only person who is dead, not another who is alive instead of him or her. Activities from English workshop section. Rewrite, putting the mistakes in the speaker's life in their proper ऑर्डर. या ठिकाणी आपल्याला स्पीकरच्या आयुष्यातले जे काही मिस्टेक्स आहेत निवेदकाच्या कवीच्या त्या दिलेल्या आहेत त्या आपल्याला काय करायच्या योग्य क्रमाने लावायच्या आहेत. सो द आन्सर इज नो वन इन द फॅमिली कुड डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन द ट्विन Davies. At the naming ceremony, wrong names were given to the twin brothers. He got beaten up often at school. The speaker desperately asked for guidance. The speaker's bride became his brother's wife. Even in death, the twins were not spared during burial. Pick out 4 situations in the lives of the twins which are too absurd and senseless to believe. Answer. The people began mistaking one for the other. The speaker's brother got the name John intended for the speaker. The speaker's intended bride became his brother's wife. When the speaker died, the neighbors came and buried his brother John. Complete the web diagram. Poet uses humor to create laughter, reduce boredom, make readers happy, to entertain readers, to create good mood, and to have a sense of humor. Write any 2 lines from the poem that you find most humorous. तुम्हाला humorous वाटणाऱ्या या कवितेतल्या ओळी तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी लिहायच्या आहेत. Number 1. You are free to write your own lines as you think most humorous in the poem. And when I died, the neighbors came and buried brother John. For somehow my intended bride became my brother's wife. Pick out lines that contain alliteration. Number 1. In form and feature, face and limb. It puzzled all our kith and kin one day to make the matter worse. So these lines contain the figure of speech alliteration. Lines of pun. It reached a fearful pitch. So the line that contain hyperbole. So the entire poem is full with a hyperbole figure of a speech. So you can pick any lines from the poem that you think most humorous or exaggerated. And when I died, the neighbors came and buried brother John. For somehow my intended bride became my brother's wife. Pick out from the poem sets of words that generally go together. ज्यांना आपण collocations असं म्हणू शकतो. For example, kith and kin, form and feature, fate's decree, close resemblance, domestic life, absurd mistakes, fearful pitch, face and lips.